paper towel. And can water climb? Let's see. You put the paper towel in, and the water just starts climbing and climbing. You see?
Wow.
It's going up and up like an elevator's going up. And it looks like ice or snow.